See, man, check it out. I've had the same problem all my life. I've been a ham since I was 15. See, I've been sitting here sending that test sequence on 20 meters at 100 watts because I want to see, I have no idea what kind of condition the band is in. This phone does not like to focus. Looks blue, purple. So I've been sending it at 100 watts. I don't know what kind of band conditions like today. And I peeked out my window. See this wire? That's the 20-meter end fed half wave desperation antenna, right? It's kind of hard to see, but the last bamboo stick is right about there. And while that is sending test, 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 I looked out the window and I realized, what am I hoping to see? What do I think I'm going to see that wire doing? It's not dark yet. So what do I think it's going to be bouncing up and down or something? And even if it is dark, what do I expect then? To see it glowing in time with my CW? And it made me, and I remembered, man, you know, when I was 5 years old, I was terrified of a tiger climbing through my bedroom window. And my mom said, there's no tigers out there. There's no tiger to climb through your bedroom window. And I said, yeah, but you never know when one might. And, you know what, man? Whoa, that's crazy. You know what? When I'm sending CW and I look out my window here at the age of 61, how many years have passed? But I still wonder, maybe the wire will be glowing in the dark when I'm sending CW. I used to look out my bedroom window when I was 15. My dipole was 5 feet outside my bedroom window at the feed point. Oh, I desperately hoped to see it glowing in the dark. It never was, but you never know when it might. And that's why I still check.